Today's the day, Dulcich. We're gonna go see my old truck. That truck's like 10 minutes from here. We're gonna go for our final carburetor tune-up, at which point it will be running absolutely flawlessly. I feel somewhat obligated to at least ask the guy if he'll give it up.
Really?
Even though I'm not sure I really want to. We'll see what happens when I actually lay eyes on it. So we've progressively been going through the carburetor from idle to cruise to loaded part throttle, and now we're talking wide open throttle. And the air fuel ratio at wide open throttle for something like this should be between 12.5 to 12.8 to 1, something like that. And that's exactly where this one is. So the secondary jetting is great, but as you floor it, it goes through a big lean spot. And our theory is the secondaries aren't opening fast enough. So Steve, show them what you're gonna do.
So this carburetor has a vacuum diaphragm on the secondary, and that controls the rate of opening of the secondary barrels. And the diaphragm has a spring. The stiffer the spring, the slower the secondaries opens. And they usually ship them with the super stiff spring, but
Yeah. We got a kit. Which one did you choose, Dulcich?
I went yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, you went all the way?
No, yellow is the third to the lightest. It's a light spring, the orange is lighter, and the white is the lightest.
Okay, so that's the end of our carburetor tuning saga. I think it's gonna be perfect now.
Ouch! It's the most radical four-wheeling we've done.
I know.
You realize everything is perfect on this truck now.
I know.
You know, I've kind of had similar circumstances where I've revisited a favorite old vehicle.
Yeah.
And for me, I kind of reached closure once I saw it. I really didn't have to have it again.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's got fuzzy dice on it. That's already a downside.
Good
How
to
are
see
ya?
you again.
Man, flashbacks.
I think it was 4 years ago that I got it from you.
I didn't know it was that long. Wow, you changed the tires.
Yeah, your tires were a little sick.
Yeah. Oh, and you have a different seat cover, different tack. He still has the koozie on the transfer case lever. That's been on there for 20 years.
How many years did you have it?
I probably bought it in 97 or 8. What do you think, Dulcich?
This thing is better than I thought it was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to say that.
I know.
You're supposed to say, oh, the black one's far superior, Freiberger. Remember all those little details,
There it
stuff
is.
you lived with for so long? Yep, exactly.
Bill, can I ask you to fire it up? I want to hear one of these with no exhaust leaks for the
I
first
know,
time.
it almost doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Wow.
That's nice. Idle's a little high, maybe the choke is on. There you go. What do you think? Which one is superior?
This is pretty good, but I mean, after Bill got through
I
your
know.
old truck.
I know. So, Bill, I came here hoping to talk you into a trade.
This one for that one?
Yeah.